Still using dangerous chemicals? In the past, when you wanted a good cleaner, you had to go towards the extreme acidic or alkaline scale on pH. Typically, non-hazardous chemicals were more neutral, and as you moved towards the extreme pH scale, you would receive major hazards and indications of their danger. These dangers are summarized with these pictograms you'll find on safety data sheets and labels. So if these look familiar to you, our mad scientist would tell you, I'd use VertKleen. All VertKleen products by Masest have a 000 HMIS score, which means no gloves or goggles are required for their use. Syntec powers the acid replacement part of the VertKleen line. With a 0 pH, it replaces hydrochloric, phosphoric, even sulfuric acids for the toughest jobs. And because it carries no pictograms and a 000 HMIS, you can ship and store it as you wish. The same can be said of our high pH SynClean, which replaces sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and other high pH cleaners. Masest joins these and other distributors around the world, helping their customers eliminate the use of dangerous acids and caustics. In fact, this technology has been used in over 50 countries in a variety of industries, including oil and gas, marine, construction, military, and more. To learn more about Masest VertKleen, contact your local Masest dealer.